Hey, what's up YouTube? Recently in one of the recent updates there is a new experimental package. So what you want to do is just start your Pi up, go to the RetroPie setup, go ahead and make sure you're on Wi-Fi or plugged into your network, and you want to go ahead and update your RetroPie script and then just update everything. Once you're done there, you're going to go to Manage Packages. You're going to go into Experimental Packages, and all the way on the bottom here there's a new package called the RetroPie Manager. I've already installed it, but I'm going to show you everything you need to do to get there. So 820. This is the web-based manager for RetroPie files and configs based on Recalbox Manager. So you click OK, and go ahead and click this button here, S, Update from Source. That'll go ahead and update it, and you should see Installed. Once you're here, you're not done yet. Very important step to come up is press C there, Configure, and then go ahead and press number 3, Enable on Manager on Boot. Go ahead and press A right here, and now you're done. And just go back and then back and then back. We're going to go ahead and restart our RetroPie, but keep it on, and then we're going to move on to our computer. So just perform reboot. Okay, yes. Once you have your Pi on, go ahead and go back to your computer. Your Pi should be on the Wi-Fi, and you go ahead and type in your Pi IP address here, 0.1.237 right now. 237, and then you're going to go colon 8000, and remember the backslash doesn't go till the end, and then just go ahead and hit enter. And this is going to take you into the RetroPie Manager. Now I can monitor my system resources, so I can see how hot my computer is running right now. Now I've been playing with this a little bit, and I've noticed that it doesn't give you a live, it gives you a live reading, but you have to refresh every time, and it'll give you a different reading. So for example, this is me right now. Let's go ahead and jump into like a PlayStation game. Okay, so on my computer, I just launched Castlevania. It's saying LRPSCX rearm loading right now. And watch, you're going to see a lot more CPU activity because I am now running the game. And there you go, we've got 42 degrees, 42, 4, 41. So you have to hit the refresh button every time you want to. It's still on the loading screen on the PlayStation game, still on the loading screen. So you can see I'm getting a little bit higher temps right now when the game's actually loading. Now I have the splash screen of the game running. Okay. And as you can see, you have to refresh. Okay, so you get the monitoring, which is really cool. Some other really cool stuff is you get the emulation station. You can see your config file right here, live. You can see a backup. You can see RetroArch, which is a big deal with your controls and everything. You can see Autostart, what's on your what's starting when you first start up. You can see all your BIOS files, all your different systems. And again, I'm running Nacho's image right now, so you can see all that. And then ROMs, right? You can now drag and drop games. So like, let's say I download more Dreamcast games. I can just drag them directly into the Dreamcast folder here. Or let's say I get more Game Boy games. I can click into the Game Boy and drag them right in. Now this isn't a big deal because you can always do this through the network before. But I think really the cool thing to me is it's nice to have everything really simple for people that are new to this. I think that's the big deal here, as well as the fact that you can now monitor your memory and your CPU and all this. It's a really great tool. A lot of people like to know this, and you should know, and everybody knows this that's in the community, that Pis run really hot. That's just something about them. So this is really cool. It's in the right direction of being able to monitor your Pi live, being able to see those CPU temps, as well as, I think this is going to be great for testing in the future. We're going to be able to actually see how cases are working in ventilation and fans and all these other ways that people are cooling. This is a good way to monitor that. I hope you like this video. If you could, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next one.